You're watching WMAR 2 News.
And thank you for streaming this WMAR 2 News update. I'm Jamie Costello. Our COVID numbers are continuing the downward trend. In the latest Department of Health update, positivity is just above 5%. Hospitalizations are below 1,000 for the first time in 2 months. Sadly, 37 more Marylanders have died from the virus. Several states have dropped mask mandates in schools, and the governor wants to be the next state in that list. And today he called on the State Board of Education to drop the statewide mask policy. He says those improved state coronavirus metrics support dropping the mask requirement. Now, while he says a growing number of medical professionals agree with him, one school expert with Johns Hopkins says the move would need to come with some fallback options.
There should be some clear metrics about the masking because we don't know if we will need to return to the masks, for example. So I think it would be really important for us to try to establish some benchmarks.
And she also adds that governments also need to get on the same page when it comes to masks. For example, she emphasized the federal government is still encouraging people to wear masks indoors in public spots. And the State Board of Education also responded to Governor Hogan. In a statement, the board says they are watching with optimism as COVID metrics improve, as their goal has been and always will be to provide safe in-person education for our children and staff. And remembering Harford County's fallen heroes. 6 years ago, Senior Deputy Patrick Daly and Deputy First Class Mark Loxton were killed in the line of duty. They were shot and killed by a wanted man in Abingdon. Today, there was a memorial for them. It included a moment of silence, a radio transmission, and sirens from a volunteer fire company, music and brief remarks from their loved ones. Observers also took time to honor other first responders who died in the line of duty in our state within the last 2 months.
And now from WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Grab the sunglasses as you head out of the door. We're talking about lots of sun and temperatures that are going to be a little chilly for the morning, but getting more agreeable as we head into the afternoon. Another day where temps soar well above average. We're talking about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than we should be. Expecting those daytime highs here in Baltimore to top out near 62, mid to upper 50s across most of the rest of the state. And as we head towards Saturday, we're going to continue to see those above average temps linger. A few more clouds with a few sprinkles possible late evening, and then watching for that transition to snow as we head into the early morning hours on Sunday before we look at cool numbers for Monday back into the 40s and 50s by the middle of next week.
All right, click with us online at WMAR2news.com all day for updates on top stories and breaking news. Also for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR 2 News app in the App Store.